a bit more dissertation on the Sharps, and then we'll have Frank give you something on it, and then we'll do a demonstration of the fire.
Well, the Sharps rifle, a little bit smaller in comparison length to the standard infantry line musket, but it is a little heavier due to its a lot of it's mechanical. And like I proved this morning, anything mechanical will fail. Cannon will fail. This morning I had a problem with my rifle, but hopefully we got it all taken care of. As you see, it's a breech loader. It is rifled. It is accurate up to about 1,000 yards, which is really good even for modern standards. It's really good. A lot of these, not this one only has a standard single trigger, but a lot of the ones that Private McClintock was talking about, the issue that the Bucktails received that were supposed to be for Dan sharpshooter rifles, they were all issued with double set triggers. We have a couple over there after the firing demonstration. If you're welcome over to the camp, we'll be glad to show you. What the double set trigger is it made it a hair trigger. The rear trigger, when you squeeze that, when you're at full cock ready to fire, squeeze that, and it sets your forward trigger, your firing trigger, and it basically makes it a hair trigger for sharpshooting. The big benefit to that is for a long distance shot, there's no flinching, no jerking involved, because it just basically relies on you rest your finger against the trigger, and the heartbeat, that just the pulsation through your finger should be enough to make that round go off. That way you don't know it's going to go off, you don't flinch, and at close distances, a little bit of a jerk might not mean much. You're going to hit your target. But when you're talking 800, 600, 1,000 yards out, just that little bit of movement means feet all the way out there. So it does make a difference. And so therefore the hair trigger was preferred for sharpshooting. Like I said, it's compared to a good man can get off 7 or 9 rounds a minute as compared to a good man with that as far as 3 rounds a minute. What didn't I cover with?
The Enfield rifle. It's designed, it's the end of it, it's a rifle barrel on the inside. It's designed to be loaded to the muzzle. They didn't have the cartridges, so you had to, first of all, take out the powder, put the powder in, had to place your ball in there, had to ram it. So, as they're saying, everyone's picking on me. I think I'm going to win now. It says it takes longer. Percussion cap. Replace the flintlock. So all you're doing is taking this out, placing the percussion cap on top. What's going to happen is the initial spark from the percussion caps can go through a little hole, which should not get clogged up.